When I think of Addison, I think of this kind of iconic British brand, which you are, in a marketplace that's been massively disrupted and Uberized, yet you seem to still push innovation at the forefront. Is that passion really in the DNA of the company, or how does that continue to be so much the center of everything you do?
It's absolutely in the heart of the company. It's
Yeah.
great. You can kind of tap into it. When you have a brand, and I'm a big believer in sort of companies that have purpose and passion. When you have disruptors come into your market, and particularly disruptors who come in with platforms and change the way the market behaves, you can do one of two things. You can either run with the pack, hope you can keep up, and play their game.
Yeah.
Or if you really get your core purpose, you double down on what your core purpose is, and you go again with that.
Build on your strengths.
So for us, our strengths were 80 of the FTSE 100 are our customers. We're increasingly a global brand. We are synonymous with quality, with trust, with service, with assurance. So if you're going to get passionate about something, get passionate about those things. There are plenty of people out there who are doing quick and cheap. Doing quality at speed, quality at pace, that's what we get excited about.
For the long term.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Just tell me about kind of your view on the future. I know there's a big conversation happening around autonomous vehicles. How important is that, do you think? And where's it going to go? And then maybe in the context of speed and speed to market, what's your view on what's happening?
So, there's loads going on, and it's really hard to separate the reality from the hype.
Yeah.
So, in terms of autonomous vehicles, just by way of an example, so this year the government allocated 25 million to projects related to autonomous vehicles and autonomous vehicle research. Of that 25 million, over 20 of that is allocated to two consortiums that Addison lead. So amazing,
Great, you're at the forefront.
The UK government are recognising Addison Lee's leadership position in ground transport. But we can't stop there. There's a whole other debate around AV, which is around the passenger engagement. So everyone at the moment, quite rightly, worried about what the vehicle does.
Yes.
Whereas what we're saying is we kind of assume the vehicle is going to have to do the things the vehicle is going to have to do, and there are manufacturers and technologists out there. What we're interested about is the passenger and the customer experience. What will get you into the cab? What type of experience are you going to have? What models make you trust that vehicle and want that vehicle to sort of take you on your journey? So that's one area that we're really kind of innovating on and leading in terms of that side of things. The other side where we're trying to take a leading position is around the sort of the green agenda and clean air. So the UK government and the London Mayor specifically have done things around low emission zones, around clean air initiatives, and we are 100% behind that, not just in London. So Addison Lee launched this year the Greener Future Fund, and that's a Addison Lee wide initiative for the whole of the UK around driving the clean air initiative, around reducing emissions. As of April of this year, every Addison Lee journey is 100% carbon neutral.
That's fabulous. Yeah, that is
and
fabulous.
For our customers, and particularly our corporate customers, they look at that and they say that's what we want to be associated with.
You want to partner with.
It's fabulous.
Yeah, and I'm delighted we share a shared passion, obviously, in sustainability.
It's hugely important.
Let's close it off with just kind of what's your view on the future of mobility, the future of tech, and the fourth industrial revolution as you see it from your lens as a CIO?
So I think even more now in the fourth industrial revolution, and I know we talk about technology a lot, and it's cool to be in tech now, it's cool to be a geek, but it's what the technology is going to do in this fourth industrial revolution. We spoke this morning about the overriding characteristic of the fourth industrial revolution is connectivity.
Yes.
We would say connectivity for what purpose? We can connect anything, but
so
why are we doing it?
Yeah.
You've got to be doing it to improve the customer experience, to engage, to learn more, to do more, and to be more. And if you do those things, it's a great time. It really is a great time.